Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've had a very productive morning, as you guys have seen. So I wanted to share with you guys today a little sneak peek of what it's like in my day-to-day life, living alone, single, now working for myself. A lot has changed since I used to film like my daily vlogs when I was like working corporate and living at home. So I thought I would update you guys and show you guys what a new normal is looking like for me now. Obviously, since I'm working from home and I'm a content creator, I guess like that's my title now, unofficially, my day-to-day does not look the same at all. Every single day. It definitely varies. Some days I'm just like sitting on my computer doing admin work. Other days I'm filming a ton of content and I don't have much of a morning routine. So whatever you guys see, take it with a grain of salt. Today is like one of my better days. Like I got a full night's worth of rest. So I had a very productive morning, but usually it's not always like this. So today, let's see, what do I have on the agenda? Oh, I have to film a few TikToks. I'm really excited. I've been really getting into TikTok recently. Although like my engagement is not that great, I'll be completely honest. It's just so fun. I feel like there's no pressure with TikTok, and with Instagram, I feel like I have to just be like the best version of myself, like the most professional curated version, and TikTok is more like relaxed and it's just like fun. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you definitely should. I've been posting a ton over there. So I'm filming 2 summer modest fashion outfits. They're so cute. I'll try to put a clip here in this video, but the outfits are so cute and I'll share them with you guys. So that's on the agenda today. I'm editing this vlog. I'm also editing another like Q&A vlog. I asked you guys on my Instagram stories to send in any questions or like dilemmas that you guys had, and I would help give you the best solution that I can provide. And you guys sent some interesting questions. A lot of them are around like relationships and what to do with like either your significant other if he's not behaving well, which there are so many unfortunate situations. Also a lot of questions about like how to deal with in-laws. That is going to be a juicy Q&A. I also actually have to take photos for a campaign. I don't have any friends in this area that could actually take the photos for me, so I have to figure that out. I'll have to see if my photographer is free. And then, yeah, grocery shopping. I do have a meeting today as well that I'm going to sign on to a little bit later. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, a little glimpse of my day-to-day, what it's like living alone. I will say it's really quiet and boring most days. Like it's so quiet. I was just on FaceTime with my sister and it was so loud in her house. I could barely hear her. I was like, oh my God, like what is going on? Ismail was screaming. Isa and Ismail were actually fighting. Ismail was screaming and Naya was crying. Oh my God. But it's nice to like call her and be like, oh, what are you doing? And it's like a shit show. And I'm like, oh, okay then, have a good day. I don't think I've shared Naya. Have I? Oh, I think she was in my Eid vlog. She's such a cutie. She's like 4 months now, 5, 4 or 5. I don't know. She's so chunky. She smiles. She babbles now. She recognizes faces. And she's just so cute. Mashallah. Ah, I love her. See, guys, this is one of the cons of living alone. Like, I just don't have anyone to talk to. So I turn on the camera and I'm like rambling because I'm so excited. I feel like I can use my voice and like converse, and not that we're having a conversation. Okay. Anyways, I'll show you guys the outfits that I'm going to film right now. So these are the outfits that I'm about to shoot. I actually shared both of these a ton last summer, but I'm re-showing them now because they're available on TikTok Shop and Walmart now. So if you don't want to shop Amazon anymore, there are 2 other platforms that you can shop with. They're my favorite summer set. They're so effortless. Let me like actually scoot back. Like they're so cute and effortless. I especially love like the details on the sleeve, and it also comes in so many colors. I picked this mint one up last year because I was like in a color phase, and I think honestly this color is so cute for summer. Here's the detailing on the sleeve. It just adds like a cute little touch to the outfit. I'm literally so obsessed. Also, it's opaque, so you don't have to layer at all. So like you just wear your undergarments and you can run out the door. I feel like that's the hardest part as a hijabi. Like either sets are like see-through or they're not long enough. So I'll link these down below, but if you want to shop my TikTok shop, I'll link my TikTok as well. Here's a better view of the set. It's just so cute and casual. I just love it, especially this color. I can see myself wearing this in like the fall as well as the summer. All right, we're finally headed out to the grocery store. It is so much later in the evening than I would have liked for it to be. It's now 5:48 and I just got done filming and editing, and now we're gonna go to the grocery store. I'm also starving. I had the chicken salad like, I don't know, 1:30. I don't know why I'm starving. Maybe I didn't eat enough, but I'm hoping this isn't good, but I'm hoping I can grab a slice of pizza from Whole Foods. So we're gonna stop there, grab the pizza slice, and then go grocery shopping. And then when I come back, I'll actually cook like a proper meal. I'm thinking grilled shrimp with a Caesar salad, which sounds really good. I got the goods. I had to run out of this so quickly because this is so weird, but I just don't like bumping into people that I know. So there was quite a few people from my apartment complex at this Whole Foods since it's like down the street. I was not in the mood to converse. Anyways, here is my slice of cheese pizza, literally the size of my head, maybe bigger, but bismillah, it's worth it. Yummy. I would have liked red crushed pepper and Parmesan cheese, but like I said, I had to run out of there because I'm not trying to talk to people. Even though all the residents at my apartment place were so sweet, just not in the mood to converse, you know? Oh my god, you guys. I'm sitting here in my car eating my pizza, yeah? Like a full loser. The guy that I was telling you about, so embarrassing. He was walking in the parking lot trying to find his car. Of course, he walked up to my car because his car was right next to mine and I didn't notice that. And then he just waved at me. He was like, oh, hey. I didn't put my window down because I was like in the middle of a bite. Now it feels so rude. I feel so bad. I made the situation worse. God dang it. Quick haul of everything that I got. Honestly, I got a bunch of miscellaneous things. So I got this little spray bottle because I have some flowers that I want to spray. Hand soap because I was out. Orange juice for my smoothies. A green juice for the morning. Body wash because I was out. Honestly, I would have preferred a better body wash, but this is all they had at the grocery store. So I just picked it up. Jalapenos because I was out. And then for dinner, I'm going to be making like a summer pasta salad. So I got pasta for that. I got feta cheese, Kalamata olives, parsley, black beans. It's supposed to be like a fresh salad, and the dressing is going to be olive oil, lemon, a little bit of white vinegar, and a dash of sugar. I'll link the recipe down below. And then I got some fruit because I was out, so I got bananas, peaches. I've been making peaches and cream. Basically this delicious dessert. You bake peaches with sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and it turns like this caramelly soft dessert, and you top it off with ice cream. It's so good. And then I got some lemon, turmeric, and ginger. I'm gonna make this every morning with hot water because I feel like it's good for digestion. Oh, and I got cherry tomatoes for the pasta. So I'm gonna quickly get changed. I'm gonna pray Maghrib. It's in 10 minutes, and then we'll get started on dinner. It looks so beautiful and fresh. Literally what I was craving, a fresh summer salad. This is like my spot on the couch. I literally sit here probably every single night. Usually I don't eat my dinner here. I usually eat my dinner on the dining table. I usually just like have my tea here. But I think I'm gonna watch a show on Netflix because all my friends have been raving about Bridgerton, which I know I am so late to the game, but I'm just not like a show girly. Like, I rarely watch Netflix or like TV in general. I'll watch a show if like somebody's raving about it, or if it's those like reality romantic shows like Love is Blind or Indian Matchmaking. I'm a sucker for those. I love those kind of shows. So yeah, I'm gonna have my dinner, drink some water, and literally forget to drink my water all day long. Like, I don't know what my problem is. Like, why do I forget to drink my water? So I'm gonna drink more water. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm like ready to rip off my hijab. I've been in it all day. So I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek of what it's like living on my own and a day in my life. Let me know if you guys want to see another day in my life because not every single day looks the same for me. Later this week, I'm going to a few events and then my sister's coming over, so maybe I can vlog that. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Everything that I shared in this video will be linked down below. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!